activated.
Hello world, here's BT, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your update for Bitcoin. We will check now what's going on with Bitcoin today, and not too long video, I'm promising you. This is a short video, but a short analysis for the day. It's really important to watch. Have a nice time. Let's start.
System activated.
So we are watching here Bitcoin, and this is coinmarketcap.com. We can see Bitcoin is going up really nice, a little bit, 1.4% in the plus, 1.35%. And in the week, it's going up with 3.45%. Really nice, a little plus here. We can see a nice green chart picture here. And we can see the most coins here are going up. Ethereum is going up. Binance coin is going up. Solana is going up here. The most coins are green. The top 10, top 11 coins are green. Dogecoin is mooning. Dogecoin is mooning in the week with 22% and on the day 16%. Why is Dogecoin mooning? I can show you. Here is Twitter. Here's the Elon Musk Twitter, and he tweeted here, Tesla now lets you buy some merch in Dogecoin. So now everyone is buying Dogecoin. That's a big thing. If Elon Musk is telling you, I'm drinking some beer, I think everyone is buying beer. Okay, it's easy, but so the world is working like this. Buy the news, and I think a lot of guys bought the news, and now Dogecoin is mooning for the moment. I think it's really hard for the moment to short Dogecoin because you can see it here. Dogecoin made a nice wick to the upside. This wick to the upside is dangerous. For the most times, it's a sign for a downgoing Dogecoin price. And yes, we're going down, but attention, here is the big support. And if we will break this red line to the upside, guys, we may go more and more to the upside. So if you are shorting now Dogecoin, attention. Ribbon band is here. This is the 1 hour time frame, and a lot of support is here. But this is the Bitcoin update and not the Dogecoin update. So let's continue with this one here. We have today 16,805 crypto coins on CoinMarketCap. That's amazing, guys. That's really, really amazing. Let's move on with the next thing. What is going on with the dominance? You can see the Bitcoin dominance is here on 39.7%, Ethereum dominance 19.2%. If we are watching the dominance, we have a picture here, something like this. Yes, we broke out of the little downtrend. Yes, we broke under this big support for the moment. That's not good, but we are in a little uptrend. It's a little green bullish uptrend. Look at this, we have a short signal here. We are under the ribbon band, we are under the EMA 200. Bitcoin against the dominance is not so nice for the moment. Yes, a little uptrend. And guys, you know it, it's better to trade altcoins if the dominance is going down. It's better to trade Bitcoin if the dominance is going up. In the bigger picture, it's going up a little bit. In the biggest picture, it's going down. In the little picture here, it's going down. And in this middle picture here, let me tell it, middle picture, it's going up a little bit. So the next thing is what's going on with the fear and greed index. And yes, you can see it here. We have extreme fear in the market, 21 points. Yesterday, 21 points. And extreme fear in last week, 18 points. So, okay, that's this stuff here. Let's check TradingView. TradingView is telling us on the week, sell your Bitcoin. On the day, sell your Bitcoin. On 4 hours, buy Bitcoin. On 2 hours, buy Bitcoin. On 1 hour, buy Bitcoin. Short time frame, buy Bitcoin. Bigger time frame, sell. Higgy, my dog short is plus 133. Congratulations. So I hope you shorted a Dodge here on the upside. I showed you this big wick with a really big leverage. Now, attention, Iggy. If we are breaking this line, you will make millions. But if we will break this line to the upside, you will lose millions. So attention, Iggy, what or how you are trading. So let's move on. What's going on? Bitcoin is extremely undervalued. Yes, you can see we are here really low, about 1.7 points. We have here from 0 to 10 points, and Bitcoin, yes, it's really underrated. That's a nice sign maybe for a pump. So if you're watching the next thing, I can tell you how much temperature Bitcoin has. For the moment, it's really cold, about 1.36. We have here a maximum about 10 points or 12 grad degree. And now we are really cold here on the downside. It's not blue, but it's green. It's dark green, 1.36. That means maybe we can see from here a next little pump to the upside. So what is telling us Investing.com with our candlestick analysis. And here, attention, attention, we saw a lot of bullish signs. I showed you this since days. Now we have a bearish engulfing. This is dangerous. A bearish engulfing is dangerous on the daily. It's a sign for a downgoing price. Attention, 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 guys. The next thing, what's going on with CoinCodex? CoinCodex is telling us, look at this, we are bullish with 38%, 62% bearish. We are in extreme fear. Yes, we know it. And it's telling us we may go up a little bit more here in the next 7 days. Maybe on January the 16th, we will see 45,100. And we are going maybe a little bit more down on January the 22nd, 40,700. But maybe in February, we will see a price about 48,000. This is telling us this nice CoinCodex price prediction. So, but now, let's go in. Let's go into Bitcoin and what's going on with Bitcoin. Let's start with the 1 hour time frame and let's watch it. In the German update, I told you guys it was a really, really nice long position on the 50-minute time frame. So I will start today with the 50-minute time frame. What was the big thing? First of all, we saw a big spike to the downside. If we can see this big spike to the downside is a bullish sign. In most signs, a red one with a big spike to the downside is a bullish sign. So long position here with the next candle. This was about 42,000 maybe. Up, yes, really, really nice. A price to the upside. A big fight. We saw here a big fight on this point with the ribbon band. It was dangerous, yes. But Bitcoin won the fight with the ribbon band and with a lot of volume. Bam, through the EMA 200, bam, to the upside. So the big question was then, what's going on with Bitcoin? I saw a long wick to the upside. That's the point for going out of the price, for going out of the trade, 43,000, a long in position from 42,000 to 43,000. That's our $1,000 by Bitcoin. That's a really nice trade without leverage. With leverage, you can make millions. Okay, this was this trade, but this is not all, guys. This is easy stuff, but it's not all. We can see on the downside what was a nice sign for a long position. First of all, a nice sign for a long position was we saw an oversold RSI on this point. After this, we went down here. So this was the first thing for a maybe nice long position. Okay, what was the best point for a nice sell? Here, we saw an oversold RSI. This is also a nice stuff to watch. That's not all, but this is one indicator. What was the next indicator? The next indicator was here. We saw a cross from the blue line over the orange line. Long position. What is the next thing here? We saw a cross from the blue line with the orange line again, piling the first red candles. Sell. So you can see RSI is working, MACD is working, the wicks are working for us. We have a lot of things to watch. And if we are watching the candlestick patterns, if we are watching all these indicators, we can see this is really helpful to make little longs or little shorts. What can we see now? For the moment, a long wick to the upside. Dangerous. You know it, guys, dangerous. But we are back again, and that's really nice over the EMA 200 and over the ribbon band. So the big question is now, is it going up or down? That's always the big question. And what I can show you here is this one. We saw here the resistance of the RSI. We broke it, we retested it, and now maybe we go up here more and more, but it's dangerous. It's really dangerous. Why? Because we are here on 61 and you can see everything over 70 is overbought. So attention, attention. If you're watching at this, you can see it's for the moment really dangerous. The next stuff what's dangerous, we can see the blue line is still under the brown line if you're watching the MACD, and we can see we are buying still red candles, no green one, no cross here. Attention, attention, guys. That's the 50-minute time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see here this picture. And I showed you this also in my German update. First of all, let's watch the RSI. The RSI is this one. What's going on here? Nice. We saw here this line was the resistance. We broke out, retested, and back up again. So maybe this RSI line is helping us in the 1 hour time frame now for a next move to the upside. It's really, really possible. If we are watching the MACD on the downside, we can see, yes, we are building green candles, bigger and bigger, no light green candle, dark green candles, and we're going up with the blue line. So MACD bullish on the downside, RSI bullish. 1 hour time frame, bullish. We are now fighting, and that's the big stuff with this line. We need now confirmed closing candles. That's important over the EMA 200, over 43,100. We are fighting for the moment. We are really hard fighting with this. What's the next thing? What's bullish, guys? Look at this. This is also bullish. We are making here higher highs. This was a high, and this was a high. You can see 43,300, 43,400. We are making a higher high. Really, really nice. That's the 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's move on. 4 hour time frame. What's going on in the 4 hour time frame? The 4 hour time frame is showing us this picture, RSI, a line from here to here. That's not so important for the moment. More important is the line from the downside from here to here, over this point. And you can see we saw a perfect spike down to this line and up again. So we are here in a triangle, and the big question is now, can we go up more or will we go down here with the RSI? The MACD is here bearish, but we can see here light red, not dark red candles, light red, and maybe we'll see here a next cross, blue line over the orange line soon, maybe. So let's check the daily. And this is the daily time frame, and on the daily we can see also this is the next big thing. Let's zoom in a little bit more. We have here not much space to the upside. You can see it here on the day. It's really dangerous. I think, guys, tomorrow or maybe tonight we will see if we're going down again and we see rejection, we will go down more and more. If we can fight back the RSI on the day, if we can fight back this line here, we may see a breakout to the upside, and that could be a really fast one. So attention, attention. The MACD changed here from a red one to a green one. That's bullish. Look at this, across now. This is really, really nice. Let's remove RSI. Let's remove MACD. Let's check. Our ribbon band is not so important in this opinion, but I will like to show you this one now. This is the golden cross and death cross. Here it is. So for the day, what can we see? It's a really bad stuff, guys. We can see for the day we are making now a death cross. This is really, really, really bad. Attention, attention. Now we can see we are making a death cross, and yes, I know it laggy indicator. It's a slow indicator. Why? So we saw a lot of sell here, a lot of price movement here. But guys, watch it, watch it. If we are watching the time, you can see we saw a golden cross. Yes, we saw a little pump here to the from the downside here. After this, we saw a golden cross, a big pump to the upside. We saw a death cross. Yes, we saw sell here, but also here once again. So what's going on now? We saw here a golden cross, a little upgoing price, a big upgoing price, a big pump, then the golden cross, and the next big pump to the upside. Now, the big question is, and that's making me a little bit frightening for the moment, we see a death cross. Yes, we lost a lot of price here, but now maybe we're going down more. That's the big question now, guys. We need to watch this. This is a really bad sign that we see here, the death cross on the day. Not good, not good. Damn. What's going on the 4 hour time frame? On the 4 hour time frame, we saw the death cross. We saw the death cross here, and now we're going down. You can see it here, and maybe we're going down more and more. You can see the green line is a lot here under the red one. Maybe we're going down here more and more. Attention, attention. Let's check this on the 1 hour. And the 1 hour is really, really nice. Look at this. So I hope this can help us, guys. On the 1 hour, we saw a golden cross. This was yesterday. And now we are fighting on the 1 hour with this green line. And now the big question is, in my opinion, can we fight over this green line? Can we fight back this resistance? Can we see a confirmed closing candle? For the moment, we have no confirmed closing candle. I think, guys, if we will see a confirmed closing candle over 43,150, we will see the next pump here to the upside. If not, if we see the rejection and we see a long wick now to the upside, if we see rejection here to the downside, maybe the death cross will go down here more and more and will move us to the downside. Rudi, wie geht es weiter? Nur ab? Nein, Rudi. Rudi, ich habe heute ein super Update gemacht. 1 Stunde lang Deutsch. Bitte schau dir das Update an, wenn du nicht die ganze Stunde anschaust. Es ist so viel wichtiges Informationsmaterial drinnen. Bitte schau es dir an. Du bist jetzt nämlich schon im englischen Live-Update drinnen. Aber liebe Grüße gehen raus an dich und vielen Dank, dass du mit dabei bist und mir jedes Mal einen Kommentar da lässt. Rudi, einer der wenigen, auch ein Regens natürlich, aber einer der wenigen, die mir immer wieder einen Kommentar da lassen bei meinen YouTube-Videos und das hilft mir überhaupt nicht, ehrlich gesagt, denn ich kriege dadurch auch keine Klicks mehr. Aber es gibt mir immer wieder Freude und es macht mir immer wieder Freude, das zu lesen. Danke, Rudi. Danke für die Kommentare. Okay, let's move on. Here, green line is a big resistance, 43,000, big resistance. And yes, for the moment, we have here a golden cross. But attention, you know it. I showed you this on the day. We have for the day the DEATHCROSS. It's a really bad day for Bitcoin. And I think, guys, this is maybe the beginning of a next downgoing price for Bitcoin, because a DEATHCROSS is never a bullish sign. A DEATHCROSS is on the most things a really bearish sign. One thing could help us maybe. Klima, why Tino 2 hours early? I don't know what's going on with Timo, but you are watching now, Bitty. So the next thing, what's going on here is this one here, the trend line from the downside to the upside. And yes, guys, I showed you this in a lot of videos. This is the support. The support is holding. Yes, we have a DEATHCROSS here, but the support line is holding. And you can see this is a big pattern what we're forming now. I think it's a rising wedge. And I think it's possible to see something like this. One of the things they are possible to see something like this, an upgoing price, maybe to, let me show you to this one, 73,000 maybe. What's the next thing? What's possible? Or what's showing us? Yes, maybe we're going up to this point. I showed you this also in the German update, but I will show you this. Yes, of course, here also. This is the cup. This is a handle. You know that, guys. And maybe we can see a nice breakout to the upside. Sorry, something like this one. But the big problem is, I think the handle is going down really low. I think there's a Fibonacci line, and I think this is telling us we are too low with the handle. So I think it's maybe possible not to see play out this cup and handle, attention, because we are really low with this handle. But if this will play out, I showed you also the target to the upside. And maybe is a price about this one. And this what I'm telling you, 82,000. That's a really possible price here if we are breaking out this. The bad stuff, what I'm showing you is this one. We have here the M pattern. So now, what's going on? What's next? 82,000, 70,000, or we are going down back again to what? 10,000. Yes, guys, I know I can't predict the future, but I can show you maybe if we are losing this support, it's a possible point, a next point, if we're not in a short position, to short Bitcoin to the downside. If we can see from here the pump to the upside, we need a golden cross, not a DEATHCROSS for the day. We have a DEATHCROSS to see a pump to the upside. The big question is now, it's so important for the next days, what's going on with this damn DEATHCROSS. And before we end this video, I would like to show you my Bollinger Band multicolor indicator. And this is telling us for Bitcoin, for the moment, if you're watching the day, yes, we see here a red bearish downgoing Bitcoin. Yes, for sure. But if you're watching on the 4-hour time frame, we can see maybe we are building the bottom now. Maybe we saw here a red zone here. Now we saw a consolidation here. Now we can see it's a little pump, and now we need a turquoise color here, or we need a green one to see a next pump. I think it's really important to watch what's going on with these colors. If we will see more pump to the dump to the downside, it would be a red one, and maybe we will go down more and more and more. Watch this bad downgoing parallel channel and watch this target I showed you, and I think you will make millions with your trades, guys. So that's it. Rudy, we don't see 20,000 anymore. I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure, because don't forget, Rudy, don't forget on the day, don't forget we have a really low support line on the day, because I can show you, if you are drawing from the lowest point here, 2017, a line over this point to the upside, it's a really low support line. And if we are checking this support line, you can see it's about 4,000, 5,000. So Never, we really never saw a spike under this. But don't forget, it's a support line and it's everything is possible. Everything is possible. I don't think we will see 4,000. I will not tell you, damn, we will see 4,000 again. But remember, this is the support line for Bitcoin and everything is possible. The M pattern is possible to play out, something like this one. Why not? Yes, it's possible. It's also possible to see 120,000. Everything is possible. But the big question is now, we have a lot of patterns, we have a lot of things to watch. And my better stuff to tell you, and I will end this update with this one, is today with the picture of a death cross. That makes me really, really nervous for the moment. And I need to show you this one. Okay.